Can we talk a little bit about social media publishing? If you're here watching this video, I bet you can relate to some of these pain points. Do you have to manage a whole bunch of different social profiles? Ugh. Do you find yourself often switching between apps and tabs? And is that time consuming? I get lost in the tabs. I don't know about you. Do you have a lack of visibility because of that over all the content that has been scheduled across all the other stakeholders involved in the process? Do you have difficulty sharing the content for approval, especially when it's external stakeholders, let alone internal stakeholders? Do you have your communication spread across multiple platforms, but you'd rather have it just in one spot so we're all looking at the same threads? Do you find yourself struggling to add UTM codes because not everybody does it right, it's unstandardized, and therefore it doesn't matter? Can you relate? That's what we live, and that's what we tried to address in social media publishing. Here at Agorapulse, you only need to log in to one platform, and it can help you plan and publish your content on multiple social media networks, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Google My Business. It's going to save you so much time every single month. One place. It gives you a clear view of your entire social media strategy. You can view all of your content across all of your channels in our publishing calendar, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, and then you can categorize the content with labels to visualize the types of content that you've scheduled and you want to plan around. You can publish multiple content formats like text, pictures, video, Instagram stories, reels, carousels, and TikTok videos. You can create posts across multiple profiles and customize the content per social profile. You can easily get feedback from all your stakeholders. You can organize your internal team effectively with workflows and drafts and calendar notes, and you can assign roles to your team members. You can collaborate in one single place. All of this allows you to build out a content plan days or weeks ahead to streamline your content creation. And then you can focus on your strategic stuff because you're not doing the manual stuff. Best of all, you can measure everything because the UTM codes are created automatically, and that allows you to track the impact of your posts on your campaigns. Isn't it crazy? This allows you think about this, to totally maximize your content potential. Easily publish content on a custom regular schedule thanks to our publishing queues. And best of all, if you're out and about, use the mobile app. It's crazy, it works awesome. With our social media publishing, you can easily communicate, you can streamline your teamwork, you can save your time, no more app hopping, you can automate your processes, you have a clear understanding of your content calendar. Candidly, it's like having an additional team member who does the job for you. Check it out, social media publishing.